Email is increasingly becoming a favorite method of attack for cybercriminals. The historic Hotel Warner, which first opened its doors in 1930, has been seeing former guests becoming the victims of a malicious email campaign that is spoofing the hotel's email addresses and domain name in order to spread Emotet malware. Victims are receiving emails that claim to be from the hotel and encourage the victims to open an attached file. The attachment is a zip file that contains a Windows link file with obfuscated PowerShell commands embedded. These commands download and install Emotet on the victim's system. It is suspected that the hotel's website may have been compromised at some point, likely due to an outdated content management system or plugin, giving the attackers access to customer names and email addresses. Beginning in late April, Emotet has also been observed utilizing 64-bit modules, moving away from modules that will run on older 32-bit operating systems, and has been also using a new custom loader that requires specific input values to make analysis more difficult. Acronis Advanced Email Security scans all incoming emails and blocks malicious emails like these from even reaching your inbox.